Honorable Jafar Yakubu, member representing Bali Gasol Federal Constituency of Taraba State, and the chairman, House Committee on Nigeria-China Parliamentary Relations. Is Honorable Jafar around? As a former police officer, please can you stand erect and salute? Thank you. Honorable colleagues, with your kind permission, let me read this letter. He said, I write to formally inform you and this honorable house of my decision to resign my membership of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, and declare for the All Progressive Congress, APC, effective immediately. The primary reason for my defection is due to the legal protracted crisis and internal division currently plaguing the PDP, which has adversely affected its ability to maintain cohesion and deliver effectively on its mandate. This unfortunate turn of events has left me with no choice but to seek a more stable political platform through which I can better serve the interests and aspirations of my constituents in Bali Gasol Federal Constituency of Taraba State. I acknowledge and appreciate the support I've received from leadership and colleagues in the PDP over the years. Nevertheless, the current challenges besetting the party makes it untenable for me to continue under the present circumstances. By joining the APC, I hope to align more closely with a leadership and policy framework that will benefit the people of Bali, Gasol Federal Constituency, and indeed our nation at large. I respectfully request that you kindly bring this letter to the attention of the honorable members of this chamber and to take all necessary steps to effect and reflect my new party affiliation in the House records. Thank you for your understanding. I look forward to continue to work with you and all colleagues in the House to pursue the common good of our beloved country. Yours faithfully, Honorable Jafar Yakubu. My dear brother, congratulations and welcome to APC.
Order, please.
The last but not the least is a letter. I saw Aliyu, and I know that we have two Aliyus here from the minority. I don't know which of the Aliyus, but I should step it down, leader of the House. Really?
Step down, Mr. Speaker.
It's already later. I have already notified the House in advance. Colleagues, it is my singular honor and privilege to announce the defection of a big fish from the opposition coming to join the majority party, the party of the future, the greatest party in Africa. I received a letter, honorable colleagues, from Right Honorable Aliyu Madaki, CNA, member representing the Federal Constituency of Kano State, and also Deputy Minority Leader of the House of Representatives. What a catch! Deputy Minority Leader of the House of Representatives. And his letter reads as follows. I wish to formally notify you that I have immediately withdrawn my membership of the NNPP. This withdrawal of membership was done after wide consultations with my political associates and supporters across the states, and all the 12 votes of the Federal Constituency. This decision was not taken lightly considering my commitment and effort towards the NNPP as a party and the Concosia group, which I gave so much. The decision was taken because of certain things I discovered about Konkosia Group and the fact that the party has been factionalized into two camps. One group loyal to Dr. Boniface Anibonam, and another to Senator Rabiu Konkosu, and have separate leaderships from both states and national levels. I wish to seize this opportunity to announce to Nigerians that from today, I withdraw my membership of the NNPP and hereby join APC with all my supporters across Kano State. I equally want to use this opportunity to thank all members of the opposition parties of the 10,000 representatives for giving me the privilege to serve as the deputy minority leader for almost 3 years. Thank you for the honor. Thank you, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Signed, Honorable Aliyu Sani Madaki, Honorable Ali Madaki, House of Representatives, we're wishing you all the best and welcome to APC. Yeah, I will. Okay. And again, I'll read it now. Your Excellency, come this way. Ka tashi a maraya. Kwarai kuwa. Ai nesa ne. Baya tauna sai hadiya.
Muna godiya fa yiwa, muna godiya.
Babban ciki yake da shi mana. You know I know.
Excellency, ka san ba a hawa nan.
Na'am.
Wannan wani privilege ne ba mu.
Ai shine ne godiya ai.
Privilege ne.
Muna godiya.
Ba hawa nan.